Hey guys, welcome back to A Day in My Life, episode 12 of 2021. This is going to be a new series that we're going to do. Due to the mishap of not uploading on time, I've had the chance to re-spin this around into ADIML 2021 series. And at the end of every 25 episode, we'll do a giveaway on it, and our goal this year is a 100 episode. And honestly, if I'm not working or doing some mommy thing at the beginning of the video, is it really my day? Honestly, I'm pretty simple. I work, try to be a better person than I was yesterday, be a good mommy, and repeat. Once in a while, I go out of my day-to-day routine and do something crazy, but today isn't that day. Today is just another average day in my life where I take you to work with me, so sit back, enjoy, and go along with me as I conquer today. I know you're all thinking to yourself, she can't work all the time, right? She just can't. Who does that? Who just enjoy working? I do. I actually enjoy working. I honestly have a really boring life. I wake up, my happiness are my children. When I go to work, I find happiness in almost any little thing, whether it's a free coffee or a really good cup of coffee, finding a shorter path in the inner street to beat traffic, or finding a great deal while shopping or online shopping or grocery shopping, or just accidentally find something that I really love. Happiness for me is cheap. It doesn't have to be over the top, because you see, when you learn to appreciate everything, happiness comes quite easy. Most people don't realize it because they're too trapped by social media and non-stop arm race to one-up or flex to a stranger online, to actually find happiness for themselves. And for me, I am really happy that I'm able to do a walk through this apartment before anyone else. Let's go to the next location. This is definitely a new project, and it has a buildable lot, so I think that's why I really love this particular property. This property, I can actually erect another house right here once all these cars are gone, or we pull another permit or something. But yeah, I particularly love properties that have buildable lots. Anyways, this is the house that we erected here, and it is a 3-family. We're going to do a quick house tour. I'm not sure when this property will be ready, just because we're working on so many projects. This is a personal property that yours truly own, and this is my pride and joy and happiness this year. The second thing that I want to talk about are the streams of income. I know you hear this often, and I can't stress this enough, but the reason why I love working is because I feel like there's so many ways to make money. My left-hand job is being a realtor, and I have told you that so many times, but my bread and butter has got to be property development and management. So on top of renting out other people's properties, I do rent my own. I don't particularly like to talk about my wealth or success, for that matter, because I actually enjoy pretending to be the underdog. I find that when you pretend to be a nobody, you get to see people who they truly are more. And it's a humbling experience with those who judge a book by its cover. Due to me being in the investor/developer field work, I always feel broke no matter what my actual net worth is. Because in this field, it takes a lot of money to make money, and your asset is your collateral in so many things that you end up living a very normal life.
Come here, man. Come here. Don't touch anything. Come here, man.
No fancy friend, no black tie and white glove event, no country club tea party, no Lamborghini or Ferrari. Because you see, by the time you get here, you already understand the true value of money, and there's no value in those materialistic things. You actually prefer buying diggers, excavator, and construction vehicle more because they can actually generate more income than just a depreciating designer car. Can I afford to buy all of that? Yes. Is it a good idea to buy a whole bunch of Lamborghini and Ferrari just to flex? No. When you get here, people's opinion of you will no longer matter. You just learn to smile and walk away. Being married has taught me so many things I didn't know about myself. I honestly feel It is in marriage and having children that I fully mature as a person. I never did felt like an adult, no matter how much money I made back in the day. Until I put on my mom apron and have a company and other families' livelihood on my shoulder, do I realize I became an adult without realizing it. I just kind of woke up and felt old one day. We're all very different from one another. Even if we wore the same size jacket or shoes, the person that is wearing it is still a very different individual from one another. Being able to wear the same pair of shoes as someone you like isn't going to make you happy, darling. If you don't take time to understand what truly makes you happy, nothing will ever be enough. Comparison is a thief to your own happiness. Don't steal away what is already yours, your life. And if you don't like your life, that's mainly because you're not spending enough time building to your life. It's like, why are you cheating off someone's social study or math answer on the test when the subject you're being tested on is biology? If we spent more time bettering our life instead of mimicking others to what we think makes them happy, we'd be happier and a few steps further ahead in our own life, rather than trying to dig a new path for ourselves when there's already a well paved out and well lit one created for us already. Imagine if you had the courage to get to know someone instead of spending all that time talking smack and creating stories about someone to someone else that you don't even really know. Imagine if you actually got to know that person instead of prejudging them from what you think or who you think they are. You could make a friend instead of making one more enemies. I just don't get it. I think it's truly hilarious that people choose hate over making a friend. It makes no sense to me. In business, that is a failing decision. People in our company are human. Some come with a record and some come with a past. But I don't use their past against them. Instead, I help them step into who they want to be and what they're really good at. Our company believes in developing talent and help that side of who they are grow rather than beat someone down for what they have done in the past or who they were. A man or a woman can be a cheater or a terrible partner. But if they are an amazing electrician, plumber, welder, ECT, that's all that matters. They are an asset to the company. And of course, there are people that I don't particularly like because they do have flawed character, and that is true. That exists in every field and in everyone's life. You know what I do? I just ignore them. I don't associate myself with them. That's it. You can be mature. You can all get along, work well with one another, and go home and have your own separate life. So if a person wants to be a pile of poo and be nothing more but a pile of poo, I allow them to be a pile of poo. I'm just not going to chill with that poo. You get what I mean? Just as you have the choice and right of being around people who make you feel great about yourself, who make you want to grow, you also have the power to cut off those that you do not like or do not want to be around you. It's pretty simple. Happiness is very simple. You make the choice. It's your life. And if you don't like the life that you're living right now, darling, the pen is in your hand. You can start today. You can start tomorrow. You can start when you're ready, or you can choose not to start at all. It's your life. The same amount of time that you spend telling yourself or finding an excuse for yourself to not have the life that you want is the same effort needed to create the life that you have always wanted. I honestly never knew what I wanted to do. I just kind of wanted to focus on being happy, and with every door that God closed for me, He opened a new one, and then here I am. I woke up into where I'm supposed to be.
Can I get a phone now? Okay. Well, you have to go with this one for me. I'll do it really quick. Okay.
So honestly, take it from someone who started where you were at and just get started, because to me, it's because I got started that I got to where I am, and I am a true believer that if you work hard, you will get what you want in the end, as well as just surround yourself with positive people. If you sit with people who are like-minded like you, the conversation is so different. Moving on, last stop of the day, I'm renting out this attic apartment. It is in impeccable condition and the client just moved out, so my client needs to move in ASAP, so I'm doing an emergency video today. Hopefully the landlord can get this thing cleaned up and we can get her in within 2 days. Circling back to what I do beside just being a mom and building an empire, to be very honest, not much else. I do try to do nice things for others without expecting anything in return, and I find that when I do positive thing or just nice thing just because, I feel like I have more better karma. And I know that, you know, that's a belief thing, like you either believe in it or you're not. I'm not trying to convert you, obviously, but what I'm trying to tell you is I realize that when I do nice things for other, good things tend to come my way, because it's kind of like if you plant oranges, good energy to the universe, you're going to get the fruit, the orange fruit. I mean, you can't plant apple and expect to get oranges, you know? So that's just, you know, metaphorically speaking, I just feel like you do good, you do nice thing, God or Buddha or whoever's out there is going to just reward you in the end. It may not be today, it may not be tomorrow, but for me, a peace of mind and just doing something nice for somebody else, that already makes me feel really good, and it makes me feel fulfilled, which is why I'm still making videos even if I don't need this. I've actually never needed YouTube for my bread and butter, and I've told you guys this so many times, but the reason why I continue to reach back and continue to inspire other girls to always go after what they want and to follow their dreams. And after all the showing, as well as all of the paperwork, I decided it's time to go grocery shopping. Got my husband to need a few things, and so do the kids. And since it's a nice day, the girls are out here playing.
No! Whee! Gotcha! Up, up, up! Up over where? Hi! Go on! No, we're not playing the string. No, Katie, you can't climb that yet. You're not good yet. Come on. Over here. Don't fall. Good job. Be careful. No, they wake up early by themselves. It's not me. They wake me up. Wow, good job. Good morning. Let's go slide. Yeah, hello Jay. They up early. Come on, Kate. You go slide. Up we'll go. We're good. Do you like it? Hold on. Oh no, don't be in front of her. She's gonna kick you. Up. Good job. Go on. Katie, that's the wrong way of going up the slide. Come down, please. Baby coming up. You join baby. Good girl. Not that way, Katie. Not that way. Not that way.
Anyways, after I let them play for an hour, then I took them inside because it's always time to take a shower or warm bath afterward. And it's time to cook dinner. They'll play with their dad and I get some studying done. What do you want, Kate?
I think Mommy's purse.
You playing with mommy purse?
I know it's a book about dinosaurs, but why are you looking in the book? Yuck. You're still not supposed to look the book. Your ability to đánh trống nhà lãng is terrible.
No, you said there was a positive book.
You're wearing my purse wrong.
This one is this book.
How am I supposed to wear the purse?
No, this is black. This is black person.
What kind of purse is that?
It's black.
It's black? That purse is a Chanel.
No.
No? You don't think so? Here, give to Mom. Caitlin, when you see this thing, this logo right here, this 2cc, that is a Chanel. What do you call that?
This is chicken. This is I see it.
Okay, can you say Chanel?
This is the chicken. This is the ABC.
Yep, it's a CC, and the CC is a Chanel.
Now,
Yep, Chanel.
now,
Chanel.
now first.
The name of this purse is Chanel.
Now,
Cha
the
Nail.
meal.
Chanel. Do you like it? When you grow a little older, I will buy you one.
It's white.
Yeah, we'll make it this size, okay? Just shorter string for you.
Green.
Yeah, this is too long. It's for adult. Mama has to get you a small one for babies. Come on, let's read together.
How I say cake?
Okay. Show us what you got right now. Today we're gonna read The Danny and the Dinosaur Treasure, okay? One day. Anyways, that is the end of my day. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye.